विरोधकांक सरकाराचो विरोध करताना तुम्ही पळयलाच आसतले, पण आता राफेल विमानाच्या विशयावयल्यान सरकार विरोधकां आड आंदोलन करताना लोकांक पळोवपाक मेळटले। पण काँग्रेस ह्या विशयावयल्यान कशीच फाटी सरपाक तयार ना। राफेल कराराची संयुक्त संसदीय समिती मार्फत चौकशी जावची अशें काँग्रेसीचो फुडारी रमाकांत खलपान मागला।
राफेल करारात कसलोच घोटाळो ना असो निवाडो दीत सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान काँग्रेसीन घातिल्ली याचिका भायर मारिल्ली। सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान क्लीन चिट दिल्ल्यान भाजपान काँग्रेसीचेर आरोप केल्ले। तशेंच तांणी 19 आनी 20 डिसेंबराक देशभर आंदोलन करपाची शिटकावणी दिल्ली। भाजपाचो राष्ट्रीय उपाध्यक्ष विनय सहस्त्रबुद्धेन मंगळारा हे विशीं माहिती दिली।
Since 2008, some active process started in this regard, and that was initiated by the previous government. But unfortunately, even after having spent some 5 years over the draft of the deal, it never reached at the ultimate finalization. Now also, after having heard the Supreme Court judgment, the BJP in the parliament is very confidently prepared to face any kind of discussion in any of the houses of the parliament, or rather both the houses of parliament. And we are asking for discussion, but unfortunately the principal opposition party is running away from discussion and again harping upon those points which have already been settled by the Honorable Supreme Court. Verdict of the court is before all of us. Some attempts were made to create a confusion about the vocabulary, about the terminology, about the grammar used in it, and again some kind of attempt was made even to involve the Supreme Court judges into this controversy, in a way casting aspersions about the verdict that has been given.
राफेलाचो खरेदी व्यवहार देखरेख आणि ऑफसेट व्यवहाराची संयुक्त संसदीय समिती कडल्यान चौकशी जावची अशें काँग्रेसीन मागला।
GPCC strongly demands and reiterates the demand of the Congress party that the ruling party must agree to the constitution of a JPC and reference of this issue to that committee. Why HAL, even that question has not been answered. Why HAL has been sidelined and a new partner, he appears as if from the blue, has been made the partner by Dassault, of course by Dassault. They are trying to hide behind a facade that it was Dassault who selected Ambani's.
पणजेच्यान आमचो खबराकार समीप नार्वेकार आणि व्हिडिओ पत्रकार इर्शाद शेख।